Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest, most natural, and most enjoyable way. You don't need to stress about complicated lessons. Just listen carefully and watch this video several times. That's the best way to improve your English and learn amazing facts about the United States at the same time. Today, we are diving into an incredible historical moment. Alaska. Why did the U.S. buy it from Russia? When you think of Alaska, you probably imagine snow, glaciers, and beautiful wilderness. But did you know it once belonged to Russia? Let's explore this fascinating story together. In the early 19th century, Russia controlled Alaska. They used it mainly for fur trading, especially with sea otters, whose pelts were very valuable at the time. However, Alaska was far away from Russia's main territory. It was hard to defend, and it didn't seem very profitable anymore. Russia was also worried that if a war broke out with Britain, they might lose Alaska without getting anything in return. So in 1867, Russia decided to sell Alaska to the United States. The U.S. Secretary of State, William H. Seward, negotiated the deal. The United States agreed to buy Alaska for $7.2 million, a price that comes out to just about 2 cents an acre. At the time, many Americans thought it was a bad idea. They even called it Seward's Folly and Seward's Icebox, believing that Alaska was just a frozen wasteland with no value. But they were very wrong. Over time, Alaska proved to be incredibly valuable. It is rich in natural resources like gold, oil, natural gas, and timber. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, gold rushes attracted thousands of settlers. Later discoveries of oil made Alaska even more important for the U.S. economy and energy supply. Alaska also holds great strategic importance. During World War II, it played a key role in defending North America from potential attacks. And today, it continues to be important for military and scientific purposes. In 1959, Alaska officially became the 49th state of the United States. It's the largest state by area, covering more land than Texas, California, and Montana combined. Alaska is known for its breathtaking natural beauty, national parks, glaciers, the northern lights, and incredible wildlife. It's also home to a rich native Alaskan culture that continues to thrive today. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning why the United States bought Alaska from Russia, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's a fantastic way to review what you've learned and continue growing your English skills and cultural knowledge. Please like and share this video to help us keep creating more wonderful content. See you in the next adventure.